Imagine if fixing a broken bone or healing an injured organ could be as easy as printing a picture or making a model out of clay. This isn't just a dream. Scientists are making it happen with something called bioprinting. But how does it work, and why is it so important for medicine? Bioprinting is a cutting-edge technology that lets doctors and scientists create living tissues like skin, bone, or muscle by using special printers. Instead of ink, these printers use a gel-like material mixed with living cells. It's a little bit like making a layered cake, where each layer adds a new piece until you have something wonderful at the end. People used to think that if a part of the body was badly damaged, like a burned patch of skin or a piece of a liver, it could never be fully fixed. The patient might need surgery or even a transplant from another person. But with bioprinting, there's a new hope. The process starts with doctors taking pictures of the area that needs repair, almost like a map. Scientists then use this map to guide the bioprinter, telling it exactly where to place each kind of cell. Instead of using regular plastic or metal, bioprinters squirt out living cells, layer by layer, in just the right pattern to build up the tissue. Let's imagine a baker frosting a cake to look just like a real flower. In bioprinting, the frosting is made of cells, and the printer carefully places every part so that, over time, the cells come together to form a new tissue that can grow and work like the real thing. These new tissues can even have tiny channels for blood, letting them work naturally in the body. Bioprinting is helpful in many ways. For people with burns, new healthy skin can be printed and placed over the wound, helping it heal faster and better. For people with injured bones or cartilage, new pieces can be printed that fit perfectly, like a glove. Some scientists are even working on printing new parts for hearts, livers, and kidneys to help people who are really sick. A big benefit of bioprinting is that the new tissue can be made from a patient's own cells. That way, the body is less likely to reject it, which is a problem with organ transplants from others. This makes recovery safer and easier. Of course, bioprinting still faces some big challenges. Printing big, complex organs is very difficult, and making sure all the cells work together perfectly takes a lot of skill and learning. But every year, scientists are making more progress. Who knows? One day in the future, 3D printers might be as common in hospitals as X-ray machines, helping doctors mend and heal even the trickiest injuries. Bioprinting is opening new doors, and it might just help people live longer, healthier lives.